pushing the gas and the car is not moving, huh? So that's 0, 0. That's the real 0. That's the turtle 0. So guys, finally it happened. I pushed it a bit too much with the 0 kilometer range. And I'm staying here underneath a bridge, underneath Autobahn here in Winterthur and waiting for my helpers. It was just 3 kilometers left to the charging station and I didn't make it. So yeah, after 7 years with an electric car, it finally happened. So let's see what they do. Let's see if they will charge me or they will transport the car to the charging station. I have no clue. So that's for the meme. You cannot park here, huh? Yeah, stupid, but yeah, things happen, huh? Would be worse if it would be in the middle of the Autobahn, huh? So if you're wondering, I drove like 20 to 25 kilometers on the Autobahn after it was 0. So yeah, you can push it a bit, but don't push it too much. So I think 10 to 15 kilometers you can drive with 0, otherwise I would not advise it. And I just looked it up. It's 3.6 kilometers to the charger where I wanted to go. Oops. So there is a high voltage sign here. Probably there is an outlet, but unfortunately I cannot use it. 25 ampere. So guys, let's do it. If you are asking yourself if you can charge the ID.4 with just putting a rope with another car, we are now at 3% and 24 kilometers. So yes, you can do it in the B mode, so the recuperation mode. And yeah, thank you TCS, very good job. And yeah, good thing that they didn't just took a transporter, or how do you call it, with the platform. So car is charging now. Yeah, funny thing, very funny thing, that you can actually charge it also with a tow truck. So I thought they will bring one with a platform, you know. So for my old BMW i3, it was said, yeah, you cannot tow truck. but here it actually charged to 3% to 26 kilometers, and we've driven like I don't know, 10 minutes around to this next charger, because the charger I was heading to was 4 kilometers on the autobahn, but we didn't want to drive on the autobahn like this with the TCS helper. Very nice guy. Thank you TCS for the help, and very cool. And today I learned something new. You can tow charge the ID.4, so hopefully it will help you as well. Bye bye, and see you in the next episodes. Cheerio.